Hi, my name is Qingchen Liu. My project is multiplayer blackjack game. I developed the entire program myself, so the data and the participant category for the project are A0. I confirm that I have followed the ethical guidance. This project aims to replicate a real casino experience online, where multiple players can play blackjack. The game allows players to see not only their own game progress, but also observe the activities of other players and the dealer in a real time. This game features real-time multiplayer functionality, allowing players to interact as if they were at the same table. Players can create or join game rooms, place bets using virtual chips, and manage their chip balance and active bets. The interface is simple and user-friendly, clearly displaying the dealer's hand, each player's hand, and their chip balance. I developed this game as a web-based application using Python for the backend language, with Flask handling HTTP requests, user sessions, and routing. Flex Socket I/O provides real-time communication between the server and the client. On the front end, I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for structure, styling, and interactivity, along with Bootstrap for a responsive design. For live gameplay updates, I implemented Socket I/O to enable bidirectional communication. This is the key code structure, and I can show you up here. App.py, this is the main entry point of the application, including Flex configuration, HTTP routes, and Socket I/O event handlers. Game.py contains the core blackjack rules such as point calculation, bust detection, and hand comparison. Room.py handles the game room, player management, and the overall game flow. Static folder contains all static resources like JavaScript files, style sheets, and images. Templates stores HTML templates that Flex uses to render the game's front end. I had initially thought about adding AI players, but I soon realized that their logic is extremely complex and very different from regular players. This turned out to be a challenge that I could barely complete, which I will go into more detail about in my dissertation. So we start our application by running app.py file, and we follow this link here. And this is the login screen. First, you will see a space to enter your nickname, where you can choose any name you prefer for the game. Right next to it, you will select one of these avatar, and you have two options. If you want to start a fresh game, you can click on the create room button. This will set up a new game room. And alternatively, if you have already have a room number, you can enter it here to join an existing game. Finally, we have a game rules button which gives you a quick overview of the game's rules and instructions. So let's see, we have a player. He creates a room with number 7355. So the B player can join this room by entering this number. So now you can see both players are in the same room. Let's just start game. So this is the placing bet run. So where you can see the betting buttons for amounts like 10, 25, 50, and 100. You can easily place a bet by clicking on the corresponding chip amount, and also you have a clear bet button to remove your placed bets. If you are happy with your bets, you can just click place bet button to confirm it. At the top right corner, you can find game rules button to revisit the game rules and leave game if you wish to exist. So after every player place their bet, now we are on the gameplay page. So on the bottom of the screen, you will see your hands showing the cards you've been dealt. And it also displays your current total, in this case is 18, and current bet. And you will notice the green indicator that says it's your turn, so this means it's time for you to make a decision. Below your hand, you will see these several action buttons, where hit is to draw another card, stand is to keep your current hand and end your turn, double is to double your bet, but you can only draw one more card, surrender is to give up and you will end the round. Split is if you have two cards of same value, you can split them into separate hands and continue playing both. So this is a special case I will show you later. Again, at the top right corner, you will find game rules and leave game. So dealer's hand, the dealer's first card is visible, but the second card is face down. This is according to the blackjack rules. And also, if you hit a card and the total value goes over than 21, it will show bust, and you just automatically ends your turn because you have already lost it. So click stand to end with this hand. So after every player made their action, the dealer will automatically start their action, and the results will come up, showing up here. So let's take another round by clicking this game. So we are in the next round and we place our bets. So now you can see, if you click double, you just draw one more card. Just hit and we stand, and then dealer starts their actions. So if you got just right 21, it will highlights showing highlights as there. So ace are special cases. It can be either 1 or 11, like this. So this is the basic gameplay. This is a special case that if you have two same card value cards, then you can split by clicking this button. So now you can play both hands. And also this one. Thanks for watching. That's the end of my video.